5 kilograms stand-up pouch, as a new packaging project for my Uruguayan client, is definitely a whole new challenge. Looking across the entire South American region, all supermarkets have 5 kilograms laundry detergent in uniform HDPE plastic bottles. Apart from the expensive cost of materials, HDPE plastic bottles, the maintenance rate of the production line is also very high, which has been a constant problem affecting the client's sales performance and costs. On the other hand, 5 kilograms stand-up pouch, although the cost of materials is almost the same as HDPE plastic bottles, the machine wear and labor costs are relatively more cost-effective. At the same time, stand-up pouches as a completely new packaging type, it is undoubtedly an opportunity to stand out in the market dominated by HDPE plastic bottles. However, some pioneers have also tried to use 5-liter spout pouch to package 5 kilograms laundry detergent, but there have been issues with leakage. This has made my Uruguayan client hesitant about this project for a whole year. In order to dispel their concerns, we conducted an experiment before the client placed an order. We conducted a compression test on the 5 kilograms stand-up pouch from a height of almost 3 meters, and as seen in the video, there was no leakage at all.